6 Solutions to back up your Synology NAS data to cloud. A network-attached storage helps you conveniently back up important files. It is the perfect backup solution for users who want privacy, control, and reliability. Some of the options that you can try. 1. ElephantDrive. ElephantDrive offers native integration with various NAS devices, including Synology. You can get the package from within the Synology Package Center. If you want an easy option to secure your data in a cloud storage platform, ElephantDrive is a good candidate. 2. C2 Storage. C2 Storage is an official offering by Synology. If you would rather not trust third-party services and want a seamless support option for your hardware and cloud, C2 Storage can be a good pick. 3. IDrive Synology Backup. IDrive provides a cloud storage platform that you can connect to using the Synology Backup app by IDrive. You need to select the correct model of the Synology device before downloading a package suitable for your requirements. 4. Amazon S3 Glacier Storage. If you are already using some of Amazon's AWS services or want to explore them, the S3 Glacier storage service should be beneficial. It can be incredibly cheaper than other options. 5. BackBlaze. BackBlaze B2 is a top-rated cloud storage service tailored for backups. The best thing about it is that it supports native integration with several NAS devices, including Synology. So, you can seamlessly back up your data to BackBlaze B2. 6. Wasabi Cloud NAS. Wasabi Cloud NAS is an exciting option where you do not have a limit to cloud storage, i.e., bottomless storage. You get a subscription for 5 terabytes of data, but you never use that much space. Conclusion. It's the digital era where everything goes to the cloud, whether it is backup, streaming, storage, or an archive for research. Most of the recommended cloud solutions should fit various use cases, but you should only opt for the ones that fulfill your requirements. Thanks for watching.